everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I'm ready to do a little more resin fun. I found these cute little wood crosses, 3 different designs, and so we're going to make a coaster set. So let's get down to the table. Okay, I've got this lovely set of little hexagon coasters, and this is going to be the holder that holds them when it's done. So very plain, very simple. Each coaster is going to get a little cross put in it, and then I'm going to put one in the base so they all match. And to keep it very simple, I'm going to put a transparent color in, so I'm going to use alcohol ink instead of resin. And I'm thinking I'm just going to play with a little caramel from my Ranger alcohol inks and see how that works. So I'm going to put on my respirator, mix up my resin, and we'll get on with this project. Okay, our resin is all mixed up, and now we're going to slowly add our alcohol ink till we get the coloring we want. And stir that in nice, and then we'll be ready to pour this into the molds. Now, because my resin cup is so large, I've poured off some of the resin into a smaller cup to make it easier to begin filling my coasters. I'm going to start with a very thin layer to just covering the bottom, and then I'm going to add the crosses, and then I'll put the balance of the resin into the molds. Now I have a lot of extra resin, so I've mixed a little copper foil into the extra resin, and I've pulled out a little heart box mold, and we're just going to throw our extra resin into that. Now I'm going to torch each piece in the center. I'm not going to torch near my outside edges because I don't want to damage those outside edges, but I do want to get rid of the massive bubbles that are especially where the crosses are in each coaster. And when I'm done all the torching, then I can use my 99% alcohol to mist them to get rid of the rest of the bubbles. Now we're going to put on the heat mat for 2 hours, and then we'll be back. Okay, these are done. They had a couple hours with the heat mat on, and then they sat overnight, and they are ready to demold. Now I do have some air bubble issues with some of them. I'm thinking that air got trapped under the wood piece or was coming out of the wood because it's only around where the wood is. And I'm hoping that the other side is maybe not so. Oh yeah, see, now if I turn it this way, there's no bubbles on this side, and that's pretty. So I might be able to just flip them over and have this side on the bubbly ones be the top, because that's pretty. Very pretty. And I can just do a little sanding and maybe put a backing on these. Oh, that one's got a lot of big bubbles. Should have monitored them a little longer. Alright, let's see. This one corner that kept running over. Done this particular mold before, so didn't realize just how hard it was to get off. Yeah, there's the trick. Put it over your finger like that. Alright, one left to go. Now I get the whole rest of the mold fighting against. There we go. That's the... Oh, that's cute. I like that. All right. And my little extra box here. I used my extra. Look at that side. Look at that. That is so pretty. Let's see if the lid came out okay. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. I did have an air bubble right there and over here. I did try and avoid the air bubbles, and I got one here too. So I may have to make a new lid, but not bad for a first try. All right, I'm gonna do some cleanup and then I will give you some final results. Okay, we have the finals on this. Now I did decide on the coasters because of the bubbling issue to put cork on the back, and I'm really loving the way that looks like with that. What I did is, because they had bubbles coming up from the wood, because I did not seal the wood, and sometimes you get air issues with wood in resin, I flipped them over, made the bottoms the tops, so all the air bubbles are coming up on the other side of the cross. Then I put this cork on the back, and I think it really gave it a cute look. So that is all the coasters, and then I have the little trinket box, which I think came out really pretty. Look at that cut glass look that I did with my leftovers. All right, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to know when I upload more videos. Thank you so much for being here, and have a wonderful week, everyone.